Hey guys, welcome to the Bravo Connection. Today we have a 2019 Lexus UX200. I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance light for this vehicle. It's pretty simple. First thing you want to do is go ahead and start the vehicle. The car will start and you're going to be getting a message displayed on this side in just a few seconds. It's going to say you're due for maintenance. I'll show you exactly what you're going to do. So we're going to be using these keys right here to navigate through the menu. So the first thing we're going to do, there's the message right there. We're going to press the back button to clear this message. So go ahead and press it, and you want to navigate over to this little settings menu, which looks like a little sprocket. Use the arrow keys to navigate to the right, all the way to the right, and then you're going to go down with the arrow key to vehicle settings, and then press the OK button. Okay, right here you're going to see scheduled maintenance right there. So we're going to go ahead and select it, press the OK button. Now it's asking you if you want to go ahead and reset the maintenance data. So just go ahead and select yes, and it's been reset. So the next time you start your vehicle, there will be no more message displayed on here. Everything's been reset. You should be good for the next 10,000 miles, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe. Catch you next time. Take care.